Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to edit your video cover photo when you upload on your TikTok from PC. So I'm just going to click the upload, or you can go TikTok's creator center, then simply click on the select file, then you have to select the video you want to upload. Then it takes few time, you can see it's 30%, it takes few time to upload. But what how people see your video, or like what will be the looking on your video? Okay, just wait. So it's done. So initially your cover photo like this, but if you want to upload custom, then edit your cover, or you can upload your cover photo here, or you can select from your video. So I'm just drag, and you have to choose which one is better for you for your video. So I think this frame is okay. And if you want to, okay, this one, and simply click confirm. So it's processing, and you can see it's a profile photo, and then you can click the post. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.